Hello, everybody. I hope all of you are safe at home. So, today we will learn about mathematics learning software. It is essential that teachers and students have regular access to technologies and mathematical software that supports and advance mathematical sense making, reasoning, problem solving, and communication. Effective teachers optimize the potential of learning software to develop students' understanding, stimulate their interest, and increase their proficiencies in mathematics. When teachers use technology strategically, they can provide greater access to mathematics for all students. So, I will discuss some mathematical software one by one. So, let's start. My name is Shalini Mishra and I am pursuing B.Ed course from Central University of Haryana. Here are my content. I will go with 10 mathematical software one by one. So, the first one is 3D Explore Math J, where J stands for Java version. One of the main purpose of 3D Explore Math is to make it easy for anyone to see concrete visual representation of many kinds of mathematical objects and processes. By easy, we mean that using the program requires little or no programming. In fact, to see most of what 3D Explore Math has to offer requires only that you know how to manipulate a standard computer interface to choose the object or process you are interested in from a pull-down menu. Now, let's see the interface for this software. Okay, this is a picture of polyhedron. And this is a picture of saddle towers. Let's see a short video of the software, that how we can use it, how we can present our content in front of students. It is useful for higher education and for university level also. It is useful for present planar space curves and polyhedra, as I told earlier, surfaces. It is easy for anyone to see concrete visual mathematical objects, especially for students, as we all know that visual representation of any kind of topic is very easier to gain, to attain in our memory. If you learn more, if you want to know more, then go through with this software and try to explore it more. Now, let's move to the second software, which is WX Maxima. WX Maxima is a document-based interface for the computer algebra system Maxima, where WX Maxima provides menus and dialogues for many common Maxima commands. So now, let's see the interface of the software, that how we can present the curves. This software is helpful in command, in equation, algebra, simplify, factors, in while plots, and simple animations, as you can see over the screen. So, third one is DC Proof. When we talk about DC Proof software, it is free, downloadable, PC-based educational software program that can be used to learn basic proof writing skills. Recommended for use by undergraduate in transition to proof-based mathematics, teachers in training, advanced high school students, simplified rules and axioms of logic and set theory, based on common practice and simplifying assumptions implicit in most mathematics textbook at the undergraduate level. Now, let's see the surface of the software. As you can see on the slide, one by one, that how we can use the software. Let's move further to the one of my favorite mathematical software, which is GeoGebra. This is an interactive geometry, algebra, statistics and calculus application intended for learning and teaching mathematics and science from primary school to university level. GeoGebra is also available on multiple devices. You can see over here the interface of this. This is useful for we can add line, circle, ellipse, geometric function. We can also use it for graphic statistics and calculus also. Now let's talk about Desmos. Desmos is an advanced graphic calculator implemented as a web application and a mobile application. That is why I have added an interface of smartphone on this slide. It is written in JavaScript. Now let's see the surface of this software. There are many tools available in this software: graphical calculator, scientific calculator, 4-function calculator, matrix calculator, test practice and geometry tools. It can be used as graphic calculator, plot an equation, explore transformation, create complex tables and more. Teacher can use it to make high quality images for assessment and presentation. Now let's move to the next software, which is Math Editor. Math Editor is a powerful equation editor that allows you to create all kind of mathematical equations. The program enables you to create, save and edit equation in an initiative environment and export equations as image files for use in web or Office document. You can copy any part of the document using standard copy operation and then directly paste it. So let's move further. This is the interface of this software, that how we can use it. Now let's see a short video of it using Math Editor software, and it is beneficial for us. As you can see over the screen, in this software there is various variety of applications that is beneficial for the teacher training in future. We can say that these software makes learning very easy for students. I have just tried to collect all the data in front of you. Now let's move to the next mathematical software, which is Microsoft Maths Solver. Microsoft Maths Solver is an entry-level educational app that solves maths and science problems developed and maintained by Microsoft. It is primarily targeted at students as a learning tool. Let's see the interface of this software. It provides solution for a wide range of concepts ranging from elementary arithmetic and quadratic equation to calculus and statistics. As you can see on the screen, pre-algebra, algebra, trigonometry and calculus. There are many subtopics in it. We can use all these tools in the software. Users can add their problems to the Microsoft Math Solver app directly by drawing, scanning or typing. Move further. Let's see a short video of using this software. As you can see over the screen, we can write it, then plot a graph, scan any question, any mathematical problem, and find the solution. We can understand any function, any equation through the graph in this software. So I must say this software is very beneficial for students and teachers. Now let's talk about GJEX mathematical software, an introduction to Java Geometry Expert. This paper gives a brief introduction to the system Java Geometry Expert. The system consists of 3 parts: the drawing part, the proving part and the reasoning part. Let's see the interface of this software. It is useful for formalizing dynamic presentation, theorem. We can use it for proving the theorem and many more. Now let's talk about the last one, Maths Amaze. Not the last one, the second last. Maths Amaze lets you learn mathematics through a maze game where you have to make your way through the maze that consists of numbers and mathematical functions. You have to start from the left hand column and go through the right hand column. However, to track the correct path, you have to follow the final sum that is mentioned on the right end of the game field. Let's see the interface of this software. It's look very attractive and also beneficial for kids. Now let's talk about the last one but not the least, JX Serious Math. Let's kids learn mathematics in a fun way with JX Serious Maths, which is a free software. It teaches maths to primary school children in a way that they are excited to learn. The program highlights basic math skills that includes addition, subtraction, timetables and division. Create basis and easy exercise for your kids in this app. Now let's see the interface of the software. As you can see, this is very easy to use. And last, I must say that listening or knowing about mathematical software is not enough. We should also practice for it. It will beneficial for us in future. If you find difficult, then search for short tutorial series for it and how we can use it and access the software. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video.